Ever since I made the point and kill pepper soup, I have been craving for white agidi and pepper soup, so I decided to make it. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma. Today I am going to make white agidi. The steps to make the agidi and ingredients will be in the description box, okay? Now, the first step is to boil the white corn. I use white corn, you can use red corn. And then grind it. It is not so easy to grind because corn is normally hard. But when you boil it, it will soften it a little bit, then you can grind it. But make sure you have a blender that can support it, okay? After grinding it, it is now time to sieve the corn, the blended corn. Before I move further, please like my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share the video, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Now, you sieve the grinded corn. As we are sieving it, you'll be adding little water to wash out the starch. The starch that will go into the bowl while the chaff will remain on top, and you throw it away. After sieving it, you allow it to settle for as long as you wish. You must allow it to settle very, very well so that the water will be on top while the starch, that is the corn, will settle in the bottom. And that is what we are going to use to make the agidi, the white agidi. You can enjoy white agidi with pepper soup or with akara, or eat it that way. I remember when I was little, if I am sick, my mother normally buy white agidi for me. So now this is the starch. This is the corn starch that we are going to use to make the agidi. Now let's get into it. Pour the starch into a wide pan or pot and keep on stirring. Keep on turning it. Keep on stirring. Keep on turning it. You have to stir and stir and stir and turn and turn and turn until it begins to thicken. But this has to be on medium heat, and your white agidi is ready, as easy as that. The only difficult part is the grinding. Apart from that, making agidi is very easy. Now, you can use foil to wrap it, or use a plastic ball to wrap it, or if you are in Nigeria where you can get oma leaf or plantain leaf, perfect. You use it to wrap it and you have your white agidi. But remember, you don't eat agidi while it is hot. You have to allow it to cool down completely, then you enjoy it. Thank you, beautiful people. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this video and for watching my other videos, for your support, your comments, and your encouragement. Please don't forget also to like this video, to share this video, to recommend this video, and to subscribe to my channel if you have not. I will have to leave you here. Let me enjoy my white agidi with point and kill pepper soup. You know how to make point and kill pepper soup? I think I have the link here. I will leave the link here so you know how to make point and kill pepper soup. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.